Hello everybody, this is Assistant Chief Kelly Hannick of the Grand Chute Fire Department. We are today going to show you a little demonstration of how home fire sprinklers work. We have two rooms set up identically with the same furniture and the same setup. They're about 8-foot by 8-foot rooms, and we are going to have a home fire sprinkler, just a single head, in the right-hand room, and the left-hand room does not have any sprinkler system in it, and we want to show you what the difference is and give you some ideas about the safety that home fire sprinklers contain. Each of the rooms, have smoke alarms as well, which are also very important pieces to your safety in your home. We're about to light up each of the rooms, and our timers on each side will also give you an indication of the differences in these two places. All right, so they're in the process of lighting those fires in each of the two rooms. We can see a little bit of smoke starting in the left-hand room and also in the right-hand room. Again, each of the rooms have smoke alarms. The one in the right hand has started to sound after only about 30 seconds. So obviously that gives you very early warning that something is happening in that room. Now the smoke alarms are going in both of the rooms. You can see the smoke building. So those smoke alarms are quite sensitive, and again, give good indication that there's something wrong. You can start to see flames just barely on the right-hand room. So again, the right-hand room has just one single sprinkler head. The sprinkler head will start to put out water when the temperature at it reaches 165 degrees. It is not set off by smoke. And there already, within a minute, 20 seconds, that sprinkler head has started. So the temperature at the ceiling reached 165 degrees and started that sprinkler head, which is clearly putting out that fire very quickly. But as you can see in the other room, the fire continues to grow. The couch is now on fire. The curtains are also singeing. The smoke, you may not be able to see it as well, but the smoke is starting to become very black at the ceiling again, and it is starting to come down. That area of the room, certainly that room, is starting to be a place where it would not be at all safe to be. And as you can again see on the right-hand side, that room is safe, cool, there's no fire. All right, so now the fire is starting to grow in our left-hand room, the room without fire sprinklers, and you can see the smoke is becoming very black. This is not a survivable space. It's also very difficult to see, and in just a few short minutes you will see that this room becomes very, very hot. It approaches a stage that we call flashover, where everything in the room is at the point where it's a temperature where it will burn completely. The temperature at the ceiling here is easily on the order of 500 to 1,000 degrees. This is an indication again showing you why, if you are in a fire situation, needing to stay low because heat and smoke rise. Our day-to-day is a little bit windy, so it is helping clear this out, but clearly if you were in an enclosed room, this would have already banked all the way down to the floor where it would be completely full. As you can see, the smoke is getting even more turbulent and angry, as we might call it. indicating that again the room is about to reach its flashover stage. This can happen in, again, we lost our timers, but this can happen within 3 or 4 minutes. Now you can hear some of the other things breaking. Everything in this room is about to be on fire, and shortly here we will have a crew come and put that out. The distance away that we are, we can feel the heat from this very distinctly. This is flashover for this room.
Oh, this is my clock.
Now they're going to go and put that out, and you can see what it takes to put this fire out will also be a lot more water than the fire sprinkler would have needed. Even though it doesn't take very long to put out the fire, it's still going to be significantly more gallons of water used to put out this fire than it would be with the home fire sprinkler. So the main fire is out, and now the firefighters are just going to ensure that the fire is out. We always do this. This is called overhaul. They'll take a tool in and turn some things over. In a normal circumstance, we would also probably need to pull out some drywall and make sure that there's no fire behind the walls. So that, again, increases the amount of damage that happens in your home. If this was a first floor, some of this water is going to end up in the basement, whereas with the fire sprinkler in your home, the amount of water necessary is again a lot lower and won't spread to as many other places in the house.